Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will download and set things up with Python, and we will also run our first Python code. So let's get started. Alright, so simply Google for Python download and we will get this official website of Python. Now friends, there are major two versions of Python. The current version is 3 and there is Python 2 as well, which was used quite a bit, but as of now the industry is shifting towards Python 3. The overall syntax of Python 3 and 2 are quite similar, so don't worry about it, and we will focus on Python 3 only. Alright, so in here let me click on download Python. This will take a couple of seconds to download. Now in order to save some time, I have already downloaded this file, so let me cancel this download and let me show you. On my desktop I have this folder where I have added couple of softwares, and in here I have Python. Let me double click on the setup file and this will open up this window, and I will definitely move forward with the installation. Now take a note of it. In here we have this option to add Python 3.7 to path. So similar option you will also get. So if you get this option, try to add Python to the path. This will enable us to run Python code easily using the command prompt as well. Alright, so this looks good to me. Let me install Python now. Alright. Now friends, I am a Windows user, and how to install Python on Mac or Linux is something you can simply Google and you will get it. Now more or less the installation process will same, and once we start with like notebook infrastructure or IDE infrastructure, the overall look and feel of Python would be quite similar when it comes to Windows, Mac or Linux. So don't worry, everything is covered, and we will able to code with Python in either of the operating system, may it be Windows, may it be Mac or may it be Linux. Alright, so this is taking some time. Let me pause this video. Alright, so the Python has been installed successful, and this is all we need. We can straight away run Python code. Let me show you how. Simply navigate to run panel. Now how to get this run panel is something, let me show you. We can make use of the shortcut Windows plus R, or alternatively we can search for the run panel in our start menu. Alright, and in run simply type in cmd and hit enter. So this is the command prompt of Windows. Similar prompt will be found on Linux. It is known as terminal. Likewise under Mac you will also get a similar infrastructure where you can run command. Now definitely if there is any confusion how to run code under terminal or how to run code directly under the command prompt of Mac, you can simply Google, but I will definitely show you the better way of running code in our next video, so don't worry. This is simply a demonstration purpose video where we are setting things up for the very basic level. Alright, so in here simply type in Python and hit enter, and it will show you couple of things: the current version, copyright, help, and these kind of information. And it will also show you these three arrows or these three greater than sign. Alright, so in here this three signs, these signs symbolize that the Python is up and running and we can directly run code. And in here in this kind of panel where we are executing Python code directly, we can only run a single statement. For example, if I type in 5 plus 6, it will give us 11. Likewise, if I type in print hello world, then it will display hello world. So these operation or this printing is done via Python. So indeed we are executing code of Python directly from command prompt. Now this is not feasible. This is good for a single liner statement. There is a better way. Let me show you. So let me minimize command prompt and let me open up Notepad. Now friends, apart from Notepad, we can like use any other text editor, may it be Sublime Text, may it be Atom, may it be Notepad++, everything is good enough as far as you are giving the extension as py. So in here, if I type in print and I print my name, right, and I save this text file on my desktop as name.py, right? So now what I have this file on desktop, right? And in fact, let me cut this file from desktop and paste it directly on D drive, for example. It would be rather convenient for us. So now how we need to handle it? In here, we can first of all quit this panel of Python. So in order to quit this particular window where we have these three arrows, we can type in quit method and it will exit out of the Python panel. And now finally we can run the file directly from the command prompt. How it can be done? Very simple. We will type in Python, then we need to give the complete path of the file, which is D drive /name.py, and here is the output. Alright, so this is again yet another way of running Python code. Now these two ways are good. These two ways are very simple, very basic, where we are simply executing Python code, but these are not feasible for us for demonstration purposes or for educational purposes. There are better way how we can run code in Python. In order to understand the alternate or better way of running Python code, we will check all of those details in our next video. Alright, so congratulations on running the first Python code, and in our next video we will dig more into Python and new information related to Python would be explored. Alright, so this is Chand signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.